Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to repost on Instagram. So just go for a screenshot, okay, then uh, crop it, okay. Now you have to just go for it and you can post it from here. But otherwise you don't have the any option to repost a picture or video directly, so you need to just save it or take a screenshot it. After that you can post it. So this is how you can repost uh, on Instagram. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.